So what I got going on today is an automatic sap boiling system for making maple syrup. This thing runs on an Arduino Nano and pumps sap as it needs it. So what I got here is a big pot on a wood stove outside to boil the sap. Now what I got inside the pot is a temperature probe and two different level sensors hanging in there. Can't see that there, but right there. Now what that does, it takes into consideration the temperature and the water level. Doesn't let it get over temp, so you don't burn it. It pumps automatically if it goes over temp. If it goes below a certain level threshold, it pumps. Make sure you don't scorch it. Then it also has a higher level sensor to take consideration when the sap's boiling and simmering. The level actually comes up a bit, so it takes that into consideration also. Now what it does is the Arduino takes that in, tries to keep it at that optimal boiling temperature. Since you are heating with wood, it's not as consistent. You know, you might, if you don't keep it stoked enough, your fire goes down. And if you keep on adding fluid or adding sap, you're going to end up killing that boil. And you know, you're to get that boil back is a lot harder when you do add wood. So the Arduino tries to keep it at that certain level and keeps it at the boiling temperature to keep it going. Now what we got here is the Arduino Nano displays on an LCD the temperature, gives you your level sensor readings, and what happens is I got a little 5-gallon pail here with a small pump and a 3/8 line that pumps it into the pot. It all runs on a 12-volt car battery. I got a charger to keep it topped up, and also have a de-icing option on it that I programmed to keep this from freezing. See, it pumps it up to about here and then lets it flow back down, even though the pot doesn't need sap. Since on cold windy nights or even on cold days, to avoid that line from freezing up, because this is where it'll freeze up first. So if you keep that fluid moving, it hopefully doesn't freeze. It's been pretty good. So been able to boil about 35 to 40 gallons a day, depending on how stocked up you keep the wood stove. And yeah, it's been working pretty good.